Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Right guys, hope you guys are able to see the charts. Oh great. Guys, there is a war scenario happening, so it's better be very cautious on buying new stocks. Okay, let's just focus on this. I know there are no new stocks, but I definitely have few in my watch list, which I'll bring after 2-3 days. Okay, if I'm not buying, I'm not gonna bring it here to the video. It's simple as that. First is Nifty. Nifty, if you guys see, this was a very good trend line which was broken, and I'm waiting for a follow up. Okay, if it breaches below 22,520 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it, and my target will be at 22,365. This will be the target. Okay, upside I'll be buying only about 22,725 and above. That is here. Nothing before that. This is a volatile zone. There is a probability for it to be volatile here. Market can definitely be volatile because of the war scenario. Remember that. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, this is a good trend line which was broken. Let me be very clear. I'll be selling post 48,490 and below. I'll be looking forward to sell it. If it gets a follow through, it's really good. If it gaps down, if it goes up, I'll be looking forward to that price. Buying, I'll be buying only post 48,755 and above. It has to come inside this trend line. It has to give us strong closing above this trend line, something like this. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay. Next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, we had a lot of stop losses in this zone, and this is a very good zone, guys. Just I had one stop loss here, then I had another stop loss here, and after that I did not trade, and I had one stop loss here. That's it. So I gave 3 stop losses here, which is totally fine because I know it is going to move directionally. I'm waiting for it. If I get a price above $87.20 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My selling will be at $84.95 and below. Because there's a war scenario going on, there is a probability for commodities to rise up. Remember that there is a very high probability markets can go up. That is, commodity market can go up, and the other markets like stock market, crypto market, forex market has a probability of coming down. Remember this. So most probably Monday I'll be exiting most of my stocks, or I'll be trailing stop loss very tightly. This is gold, chart of gold. If you guys see gold, we already discussed, I think here February somewhere, here somewhere 24, 26, this was a trend line here. We entered here somewhere 24th somewhere, and it pumped very good, almost 18% some pump, guys. Okay, this was the 18% pump. Now we are waiting at a very crucial level. This is forming an inside candle here. This is broken, but again it came down. See, this should get a follow through. There is no follow through here. That is a problem. It came down very drastically. Yeah, so I'll be buying and selling only post these levels. That is, if I get a price of 2320 and below, I'll be shorting it. That is, I'll be selling it. I'll be buying only about 2400. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I know there are no swing trading stocks, but please wait, don't buy anything, don't panic and buy. Now the market might go negative, it's because of the war scenario, but 2 to 3 months it will be back to its normal state. If you're holding any stocks, be cautious about it. If it's your stop loss, get out of it. Don't add more and stop leverage trading. This is extremely bad in this kind of a scenario. Market might definitely become volatile tomorrow, so please trade cautiously. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I know I've not been posting video for such a long time now. It's because even I hit a saturation point where I was not getting views, or my content was not reaching enough people. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop it. I'm definitely gonna keep doing my work. So keep supporting, keep watching the video fully, which will help me grow. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.